Welcome. In this video, I'm going to share the proven ways to find the provider listing by Your Tinnitus and Hearing Organisation, a resource designed to connect you with trusted professionals and reliable hearing care support. If you've ever struggled to find the right provider for tinnitus or hearing-related issues, you know how frustrating it can be to search across dozens of sites without clear direction. That's why this provider listing exists. It's your one-stop solution to save time and ensure accuracy. The first proven way is to head directly to the official website of Your Tinnitus and Hearing Organisation. Once you're on the homepage, look for the tab or section clearly labeled Provider Listing. It's simple, easy to spot, and just one click away. The second way is to use the site's built-in search tool. You can type in your location, your specific need, whether that's tinnitus therapy, hearing aids, or diagnostic testing, and instantly see a tailored list of providers who specialize in exactly what you're looking for. The third proven way is to explore the advanced filters. These allow you to sort by region, type of care, or even provider credentials. This ensures you're not just finding a provider, but the right provider for your individual needs. Another helpful feature is that each listing includes full details, such as the provider's qualifications, contact information, available services, and sometimes even patient reviews. That transparency makes it much easier to make an informed choice. Finally, remember that your Tinnitus and Hearing Organisation keeps this directory updated, so you know you're seeing the most current and trusted information. No outdated listings, no confusion, just reliable access to the care you need. So, to recap, visit the official site, click on the provider listing, use the search tool for fast results, apply filters for precision, and explore detailed profiles to choose the best fit. That's how you can use proven ways to find the provider listing by Your Tinnitus and Hearing Organisation and connect with the hearing care support you truly deserve.